In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo with ChatGPT and use AI to analyze your email marketing performance. To get started, open Klaviyo and make sure your account already has campaign or flow data available. This is important because the AI can only analyze information that actually exists in your account. If your account is brand new or doesn't yet have any sent campaigns, automated flows, or performance history, the insights may be limited. So before moving on, just confirm that there's enough activity inside Klaviyo for a meaningful review. Once that's ready, open ChatGPT and look for the Klaviyo app or connection. Depending on the interface you're using, this may appear as an app, integration, tool, or connector. The goal here is simply to locate the option that allows ChatGPT to securely work with your Klaviyo data. After you find it, go ahead and connect your Klaviyo account. During this part of the setup, you'll likely be asked to sign in and confirm the connection. Make sure you're connecting the correct account, especially if you manage more than one brand or workspace. Taking an extra moment here can help avoid confusion later when reviewing results. Next, allow the required permissions. These permissions let ChatGPT access the data it needs in order to analyze your email performance. Read through the access request so you understand what is being shared and then approve it to continue. If the permissions are not accepted, the analysis won't be able to pull the metrics needed for useful insights. Once the connection is active, ask ChatGPT to analyze your campaign performance. You can keep your request simple and direct. At this stage, the AI will begin looking at the available data and identifying trends, strengths, and weaker areas across your campaigns. From there, ask specifically about flows, revenue, opens, clicks, and improvement opportunities. Being more specific helps you get more actionable feedback. For example, you want to understand not just what is performing well, but also where engagement may be dropping and where your email strategy could be optimized. When the insights come back, review them carefully. Don't just skim the response. Pay attention to patterns, comparisons, and recommendations that seem most relevant to your goals. The most valuable part of the process is understanding what the data is actually telling you. Finally, use those findings to improve your email marketing strategy. Apply the insights to future campaigns and flows so you can make smarter decisions, refine performance over time, and build a stronger overall email program.